Meghalaya Cycling Association haga khatnyau trek mentau banai rempang arajar arpun riu kalapan kup buram mi Samla nya cycle kebelawan man shimenta haga Iakob nya cycle kebelatip ke National Mountain Bike Cycling Championship arajar arpun riu balapulong da Cycling Federation of India haga jela Arunachal Pradesh kebelasdang naduk khat artrik batkut haga khat santrik rempang arajar arpun riu. Hakini ke Iakob lawan ban shimenta da buntli ke jela keri India bat na pedeng ki balik ya shimenta kani ke Iakob na ke jela Meghalaya Taitus Marak ulayo ban ra ke gold medal umali Vitendra na ke jela Maharashtra ulayo ke silver bat umiban Aiboklang Suiam na Meghalaya ulayo ke bronze medal. Ya kini ke kenhuan na pedang sengobha ne ke sengi NEHU ha ka bau president ke MCA uba learning as bare harangkat ki khot jong ke kenhuan ki leptiang bat pinkup buramiki habaya kren bat Taitus Marak loong bakalong ke basngau tenat ban yo eshimenta ha kini ke national championship ke balapelong ha ka tega than chate lamingi bat ke jingjop ya kini ke championship ke penkemen shushu ya u kini kamde ke sin beningkong ban yo medal henry ke de ke sin beningkong ba un yo ban ra ya ke gold medal ula ben rap da ke baong ba un yai ya shimenta shushu akini ki por ki banwan bar ula thuru ba ula hikai hi bar ula yo jingerap na kawe ke company na Delhi ki le rap yu habun ki benta bat ban lej ya shimenta ru akini ke championship umarak ula thuru ba ula pendap ya ke degree ha ke jing puli jong u shushu ula ong balada ya nujor bat ke Iakob ha ki international ngidang saadien bha bat ngidang donkam bantre shitom shushu nakaliang umiban Aiboklang Suiam habaya kren bikinong thok Khubor ulai thu bolai shimenta kini ke national championship ha Arunachal Pradesh bat ulai shimenta ha kemen elite ulai thu ru bola job buntli ke Iakob ki bola le shimenta bat dangshen ula job ru ke Iakob kelalong ha ke jela Mizoram ulai thu ru ba ula le ban shimenta arsin ha ke international bat sansin ha ke national Suiam ula benrap da ke boong bengidang don kam shu iki kai namar kini ke Iakob ke ke berang thamai ngidang don kam menteri shitom bat bandon ki jaka ki babiang namar kumbalong mentahi ki julitnya ha ki klau bat ki haban penbiang hi ki lenti ki ba kin haban pendon kam nakaliang president ke MCA ba learning as bare habakren bikinong thok Khubor ulong bagi kena ile kai ki hikai hi ulong bahapo ke national games ki don bun ki kategori bat kini ke kategori ke bagini ki kena ki job kalong ka bapau bah menta ulong ru ba ke kenhun ke persang kat bala bagini ke kategori kan yo bandrung ha ke national games namar ki lai i bubun ki kena ke jela ki tibet ha ke ni ke jing le kai shushu ulong ba ke kenhun ke lapelong ki jing kai bat menta ki rang ya chkhmat ha ki kategori be pher ki chintai bat chinra ulong ba ka pisa ke ba ki yo na ke sarkar kalong be tek tang na ke national games.
Then next, come, mano, si, mano, fit position. Come. Okay, wait, mano, ano position? 6, 7. Oh, congratulations. Okay, one in there, one, no, two, wait. Mano, Position na. Very good. On good position. Okay. So one more is there for you. Someone is waiting. Thank you. Okay. Nakaliang juga Meghalaya Cycling Association dia participate ya kini ke national championship kembali ke first time mengi perlong hapo North East kilong hapo Arunachal Pradesh tinggi kumpa khatlaing ki khna jungi naga Meghalaya Cycling i participate te menta ngi yo medal kawi ka gold medal niyo kali jong ka downhill hagba ini rider jongi Taitus Marak from North Garhils, right? Yo a gold medal, and then ya ka bronze yo iti ba Iban Suiam di na po nong thamai bisa. Te kini ya si jongi ru hadir bagi nai training mentaus nem kita ka coaching ka training teng ba ka jing rat ang government la perlong ki la don ki coach te baru khat kini la athlete la improve lu te baru khat ki na ki yo bagi top 10 all India rank. Te kata hai ka jing dokumen jongi ba nga expect ba nangi syakmat kemut especially jing pengkret jongi na menta jo national games ngin don chan ke ba baru khat ki yugo ki benta ki bagi participate bagi yo medal kita.
Kanu nggak baru kat ki yalich deh.
Ya mentang ngilang kalai ngot, deh kalai ngot. Te baru khat kini bedan ni. Ya pak tanggata.
Kadai kasrangan lo ter.
Kalau deh, ada luka santai.
Aduh asal. Aduh rasyal deh yo.
Hello, my name is Taitus Marak. I'm from North Wales and I represent Meghalaya in the downhill individual men elite. It's great to have the national championship in Northeast in this first time, and it's a privilege to have gotten the first position in sort to say home ground. Yeah.
So, this is your first time to compete on national competition?
Oh no, this is not my first time. This is my second medal at national championship. I've won my second medal in 2024, and this is my this time I've achieved the first goal.
So, what is your next share?
Well, I have some plans and ambitions. Next, I aim for Asian Championship and many more private races. Well, basically, I train by myself, and I I am partly sponsored by one of the company from Delhi. They help me, and also Meghalaya Cycling Association also help in some ways to help me reach here and to concentrate for further plans.
Do you stay in Colorado?
Sometimes in Garhwal, sometimes in Shillong.
Most of the time here in Shillong.
Yeah, I study here. I just graduated. Well, it's competitive. We are fighting for fractions in my category, so 1-2 seconds makes a huge difference for us. And competing with the whole country is definitely difficult. But I think whatever we've been trained for, it paid off at the end.
So, you feel like you need to practice more?
Well, if you compare it to international standard, we're still a little bit behind. We still need a lot of support, and we still need to train a lot more. This is one achievement. This is one step we can say, which we've moved forward with, but we will still need a lot more help.
Ko na kublay try to suppose jungi wala ay ni katong nga ba kini gajing job te ngari kita ime ban Aiboklang Suiam te ngasyo nga sa anya po Shillong te nga simpat ako ka 22nd mountain biking championship ka ba doon po Arunachal Pradesh Rowe district pag kategori pangasya magari ka men elite downhill pot so bangan le mountain biking nga la sedang menya so kuto no badang ngrit himan so la dan trasbet te nga sedang men race kumte race hadu usnam aja khatar te kade ka BMX downhill ba dong po nong pior man so te ski nanto nga sedang ban sedang suka MTB aja ka khandai te no aja kuwe nga sedang le competitive races te nga job bon ki race ka do ka international race nga job ka bolong lasya job ka Red Bull no te nga koi second hapo Mizoram
Kita lu tuh lagi
international ASEAN te ka national sanksi te lata ski local race kila abona kan masuk
Siguro di siya niya lagi sa international sila
kuntai kumba yang di prakni wiban te mirang dong kam sui panya practice shu nomor ni ke platform lingla ngim pada stem mirang dong thma te wala kataru nilai tristomi te nila ibang ni apa itu international
Tapi kasi naman ka kikrat
Hot ini share kat sebuyong ki cloud forest i basha ka forest ngia penbahas na jom ngia kat ba ki shat ngia penukam kita.
Ki iba ka government sendiri ay pamishna ko ita
Hot katali kan best part i bikila man ka government na ki system bikila ban support ini kan yarap ni kira maka cenjar ba personally bingin shim ya kan i bingin le kan mangi dongkam ka jaka ka bahe te kala ka government menyerap belum kumpi yarap kiwi ki support sih kan yarap baik mengila ki artizni banwan ra ki medal pasti
iba ka national
kelajan jong ke catering yang empat try kendan te ki dan jong ki XO te yang empat try kendan ke di jong